Are you looking for the ultimate affordable legacy property in the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota, bordered by Forest Service on 4 sides? I've never seen a property like this. This is incredible. Let's give you the full tour today. Let's check it out. So this property actually features a creek right across the road, basically in your front yard, okay? And then you have Trail 7 right there. You can snowmobile, ride your side-by-sides, and it gets even better right over at the end of this road. Basically, what happens is county maintenance all stops and they plow all winter long right to there. Ultimate privacy. You cannot see a house anywhere over here, and this place is truly affordable. It's unbelievable. Over here you have full RV hookups and some over on the other side as well. We're talking water, 50 amp, 30 amp, 20 amp, and you have sewer dump. So it is truly has 2 full RV spots. I believe it's a 40 by 70 concrete pad here. So this place is incredible. Now back up here we have the Mickelson Trail right there, so you can walk, bike ride, do all that right out your front door. And look at hills here. It truly is an amazing property. The house was just built 4 years ago. So let's go take a tour of that. Over 1,700 properties sold, and this is the first one I have ever seen bordered by Forest Service on 4 sides. If you're interested, all our information is in the description below. Give us a call and let's make this place yours.